Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market is also trying to turn to some action. It's because the major point is very close. So we stand at the eve of the rate decision in September and some comments from the Fed, and the speculators are starting to shake the boat, trying to show some kind of the anticipation of the diverse decision from the Fed, who's trying to push gold market a bit higher. Well, but we guys have the clear signs that we should follow, and we should stay with the probability. That's why, from that standpoint, we probably will call you to avoid taking any long position right now. Mostly because, as I said, we have uncompleted ABCD pattern on the daily chart. The target stands in 10.95. Before market will reach this area, hardly any significant reversal is possible. Will be possible. Either small just retracement, or maybe some kind of the reversal, anything. Market should first hit the target, second show some other action. Either it will be a downward continuation or it will be bounce, no matter. But the major condition is the hitting of the target. That's why current upward action looks really suspicious, and we call you to not follow it. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we still have the same pattern in place, although trend has shifted bullish, but we have the chain of the lower lows. So we have here first low, second lower lows, and that could indicate the bearish dynamic pressure. Sooner or later that should lead to taking out of these lows and some move down. Whether it will be just short-term spike or it will be just a downward continuation, it's impossible to say right now, but the fact is that there's some downward leg should happen, whether it will be fast or slow. Also, guys, you could see here some kind of the bullish grabber has been formed that suggests the taking out of this top. But guys, be aware of the possible failure breakout here. If even market will show some upward action here and taking out of these lows, keep an eye on the hourly chart. Because on the hourly chart you clearly could see the triangle is forming and moving high and taking out of these lows, taking out of this top, could take the shape some of Russian rings or something of that sort. Since our major object here is the uncompleted ABCD target, be ready for a failure breakout to the upside of this triangle. So, other words, keep watching. For example, if market will complete the grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart taken out of this top, keep watching for a possible returning back down below this trend line. As soon as this will happen, that will be the failure breakout of the triangle, and it will mean that market will follow to the 10.95 area, then 10.95 target. So any failure breakout of the triangle here will be the confirmation that market will move to the minimum at least to the 10.95 target, maybe lower. Currently difficult to predict. But we have the short-term targets 10.95. So that's been said on the gold market. Gold market, as you know, is very cunning, and that's why don't be hasty to follow any bullish signs here, despite what will breaking news tell you on the Bloomberg, on some other informative in the mass media. So just keep watching, because technical picture suggests that market somehow should show the leg down, whether it will be a fast spike or it will be just the gradual downward continuation. Anyway, the 10.95 area should be hit. So that's why don't be hurry with the taking any long positions. If even you will get the breakout here, keep watching, because if market really is reversing up, you will have a lot of chances to take the long position today, tomorrow, on the next week. But if you will be caught in the wrong position, if you will take a long position, market will show the Russian rings, return right back down to the lows. That will be a very unpleasant moment for you. So that's our position. So keep aside right now from the any long position by far.